Our home is near the ocean, in an area that San Francisco in its wilder days used to call the outside lands. These days, the languages often heard from passers-by on the street are Chinese, Vietnamese, and Thai, among others. So I love visiting the Mission District. It's like being a tourist in my own town. Spanish language, stories and walls, color, Latino culture. I'm returning to a world so familiar to a previous me. I was born in Sao Paulo to expatriate American parents who were in love with Brazilian and Mexican cultures. The images and icons from these cultures are like a graphic sidelight to my early years and later experiences. To me, the murals in the Mission are infused with the values of Catholic social justice that was a way of life for my parents and their lifelong friends from those years in Brazil. Many of these friends were Catholic clergy working with the poor and underprivileged. Over the years, their discussions included liberation theology, a radical religious theory from Latin America that proclaimed a church aligned with the poor instead of the rich and powerful. From across the years, the images meld. To me, they are familiar icons of the struggle for social justice, human dignity, and self-determination. Here in the Mission, that history and revolutionary fervor is brilliantly cast in murals proclaiming the dignity of the struggle across cultures. And yet, the images are only a portion of the human story. Some stories are missing. Where are the stories from the oppressors? Are they shamed from the walls or forgotten? Or maybe the oppressors' stories are absorbed into the fabric of our everyday life so that we don't recognize them anymore.